Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and today I'm going to talk about how will I teach primary color, shape and number from 1 to 3. So firstly, I will begin with a series of songs. I think this method could develop the cognitive process and also taking into account the social environment. So I will use those songs in order for them to imitate through both the movement, the sound, and also the specific vocabulary in order to learn about those topics. Then I will use the Montessori board in which I am going to put some objects that have this specific shape, colors, and number, in which the children need to follow with their fingers and need to identify how to classify those objects according to the shape, the color, and the number. Then another activity that I will do is going to be by groups. So my idea is that one student is going to have a mystery box in which they are going to touch and try to identify the shape. So it is circle, triangle, or square. Then another classmate is going to touch how many of these objects are in the box. If it is one thing, two things, or three things. And then the last classmate is going to look at the object, but the rule is that it can talk. So the idea is that according to what they saw, they have to make a drawing taking into account the color. So for example, they had a red ball. So the idea is that the classmate that can talk try to draw a red ball, taking into account the shape and the color. Then finally, I think I will have some guide exercises in which the student needs to identify, to put a color, and that way I will look how was their cognitive process with those specific topics, and then they have to share it to the classmate, and the classmates are going to say if that was wrong or that was right. So in this kind of idea, they are going to have to receive some help from their classmates, but also they are going to develop their cognitive process. So thank you very much. This will be the end, and see you in another opportunity.